Hi, Dr. T here. Real quick today, I just want to talk about a Python package that you will likely encounter and use in your work with Python, which is known as Pandas. Pandas is the #1 open source package for data science and analysis. It also can be used for machine learning tasks. You're going to see that it's built on top of another package known as NumPy that supports multi-dimensional arrays, and it's part of most Python distributions. We're going to be doing a series of tutorials and demos related to Panda and how Pandas actually works. You're going to see that it helps makes many of time-consuming tasks much easier, such as data cleansing, data filling, merges and joins, visualizations, statistical analysis, some inspection, and most importantly, loading and saving data, putting them into data frames. We're also going to see some more advanced aspects of working with pandas, such as correlations and plotting eventually. So stay tuned. Additional tutorials will be coming soon related to pandas. I hope you check them out and I hope you find them useful. Feel free to put comments below if you've worked with pandas or if you find that it's been a valuable tool. And I hope that you subscribe if you're not currently subscribed. Thank you.